This is why you need to pay attention to Hurricane Milton. It's coming in hot and fast. Hurricane Milton is barreling towards the east coast with a vengeance. Winds are clocking in at over 120 miles per hour. Storm surges could reach up to 15 feet. That's enough to flood entire neighborhoods. If you're in its path, listen up. Milton is expected to make landfall between South Carolina and Virginia. Evacuation orders are already in place for coastal areas. Don't wait until the last minute. Get your emergency kits ready. Remember, the biggest threats are strong winds, flooding, and power outages. Secure outdoor items, board up windows, and charge your devices. Stay informed through local news and weather updates. This is a serious storm, folks. Take it seriously and stay safe. That's your quick update on Hurricane Milton. Stay tuned for more details. And remember, safety first.